In this video, you will learn how to add annotations on your model. Annotations are graphical elements you can add to the view to display additional information such as custom text, the length between 2 points, or the angle made by 3 points. On this model, you can see text annotations with element information that have been added by Ceetron Analyzer when picking the model. The procedure to add your own annotations is simple. In the feature tree, right-click on the Annotations tree item and select the type of annotation you wish to add in the context menu. Let's take a look at text annotations first. Select the option in the context menu and then pick on the model the location at which the text needs to be displayed. A new annotation with default properties is created. There is no custom text and the scalar value at that point is displayed. Note the minus sign next to the Annotations tree item. Click on this button to remove the annotation. In the Workspace bottom pane, you can now configure the new annotation. Add your custom text in the Label text box. Hide or show the scalar value, toggle the annotation's visibility, or change its location. A distance annotation is added very much in the same way. Right-click on the Annotations feature tree item and select Add Distance. Then go to the view and pick the 2 points whose distance needs to be measured. The annotation is displayed and its properties are available for modification in the Workspace bottom pane. You can add a custom text, change the point positions, or toggle the visibility of the annotation. Follow the same path to add an angle annotation. This time you pick the 3 points that form the angle on the model. Add a custom text, change the points or the annotation's visibility in the bottom pane of the workspace.